Hi there, and welcome to everyone. My name is Riyaadh Mayet from the uTyala STEM Institute, and today we will be learning about computer programming. Computer programming is perhaps one of the most widely used technologies for problem solving using a computer. What is computer programming? Computer programming, also more popularly known as coding, is writing a set of instructions in order for a computer to do a certain task. These tasks could include sending a spaceship all the way to the moon, playing the latest video games, navigating cars to go on holiday, controlling robots, and even taking selfies with our cell phones. Why do we need to program a computer in the first place? A computer receives and understands information in the same way that your brain does. And just like your brain, it does not automatically know what to do with the information that it receives or how to do it. Instead, it needs to be taught what to do and how to do it, just like how you would learn how to do something in a classroom. To teach a computer what to do, we give it step-by-step instructions known as a computer program. Computers and our brains both work like machines. Machines have an input, a process, and an output. An input is the information that is fed into the system and can be thought of as the ingredients used to make something. The process is when the machine takes the input information and does certain operations to it. This can be thought of as the method for making something. The output gives us the final information that has been processed and can be thought of as a finished product. In computer programming, we work with writing the step-by-step instructions required to carry out the process. There are many special programming languages that are used to give instructions to a computer. These languages are not like any of the languages that we speak and hear. There are specific languages that have been developed to teach computers. Different languages are used depending on what tasks the computer needs to achieve. Programming languages can be translated from one type into another, and sometimes different programming languages can be used to do the same thing. Some of the commonly used programming languages are C, C++, Python, and Java. For the MakeBlock series of videos, we have been using the Scratch language of program, which is another language that is used to teach programming to children. Besides learning how to control a computer, which is pretty awesome, programming can teach you lots of useful skills. By figuring out what the process must be, you will learn how to solve problems. You can become more creative by learning how to use shapes and colors. Math and science will become more interesting and much easier. Coding will also improve how you talk to other people and will teach you how to work in a team. Lastly, it's really fun, so why not give it a go? At the uTyala STEM Institute, we believe that computer programming is just one of the many tools that can be used to solve problems and create independent thinkers. Coding is often used with other problem-solving tools, such as the internet, robots, and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, good luck.